The ski industry has a problem. Like so many other sports, it caters to professional racers, designing gear for them, but selling it to us, the recreational skiers who simply want to enjoy skiing. We're told that skiing means long, cumbersome skis and painful boots that hurt your feet. But where's the joy, the freedom, the fun? We wanted to bring joy back to skiing, so we created Snowfeet ski blades, the future of winter sport. Unlike long, cumbersome skis, Snowfeet are easier to learn and master, giving you more freedom to move and play. Effortless to control, turn, and stop. Snowfeet perform better on moguls and bumpy terrain. They're light and portable, making them perfect for any adventure. Snowfeet fit all ages and heights and are compatible with snowboard boots. But most of all, Snowfeet makes skiing way more fun. You can choose from two lengths, 65 and 99. Snowfeet 65 are long enough to ski, yet short enough to skate. They are great for quick, sharp turns and fun tricks that feel like skating on snow. With Snowfeet 99, you get more balance. They're similar to regular skis, but easier to control. Perfect for carving, riding through powder, and landing in parks. There are 3 bindings you can choose from. Simple ski bindings, which are easy to adjust, perfect for sharing Snowfeet with friends and family. Pro ski bindings. These are classic release bindings, available on Snowfeet 99. And snowboard bindings. These special bindings let you use your snowboard boots on skis, making skiing way more comfortable. They are designed just for Snowfeet, so you won't find them anywhere else. Snowfeet are made for everyone, from seasoned skiers to complete beginners. They're very intuitive and easy to learn in one day. Handmade in Europe, Snowfeet are built to last, with a certified sustainable wooden core, fast racing base, durable top sheet, and steel edges. This is premium quality you can trust. Now is your chance to turn heads on the slopes. Choose from 3 exclusive limited edition designs: the elegant gray mountains, the playful blackboard, or the fun and flashy 80s colors. Over the years, we've launched 5 innovative projects and started a new winter sports sensation. More than 50,000 people from around the globe have already joined the Snowfeet crew, and our community keeps growing every day. Now is your chance to start skiing like never before. With joy and freedom, join the future of winter sports.